All right, and the last one we're going to do today is for volumes of a sphere. So, sphere is our new volume this year. You guys aren't too familiar with, but let's look at it. Formula isn't too different from a cone, but unlike the cone and cylinder, we only need one variable basically to do the volume of a sphere. So the formula for the volume of a sphere is volume is equal to 4 times pi r cubed. Okay, so you think about circular objects, spheres about as circle as you can get, 3 dimensions. That means you'd have 3 radiuses basically that you're working with. And that's all being divided by 3. So basically, you're adding another number to your exponent, you're making it a third, and then you're multiplying by 4 over 3. And that's your volume of a sphere. So let's look at an example. So sphere, say, that's my wonderful sphere. Again, I am quite the artist, I know. Amazing. Okay, so let's say I know the radius is 7 inches. Okay, so that's all the information I need in order to use my sphere formula, right? Because all I need to know, the only thing I don't know on this side is the radius. Everything else I know, so let's plug it in. So volume is equal to 4 times pi times 7 cubed all over 3. So again, solve the top, then last thing you do is divide. So do exponents first, so 7 to the third power is 343. So I'm going to put it up here, so 4 pi times 343 all over 3. Then I'm going to times 343 by 4, which is 1372. So I have 1372 pi on top, all being divided by 3. Then I take that, times it by pi, so 3.14, and then divide by 3. And I get 1,436.03 after you round. So the volume is going to equal 1,436.03, and that's inches cubed. Okay, so then let's do a backwards one. So let's say I have a sphere. So here's a sphere. It's a wonderful sphere because I'm great at drawing them. Okay. And I don't know the radius, so I want to find that out. But I know that the volume is equal to 2,000 meters cubed. So 2,000 meters cubed is my volume. So let's plug that into my formula. So I know it's 2,000 is equal to 4 times pi r cubed all over 3. So again, I need to get everything away from the r in order to solve for it. So I gotta multiply by 3. And that cancels out. 3 times 2,000 would be 6,000 is equal to 4 times pi r cubed. Then I just divide by the 4 and the pi. So 6,000 divided by 4 is 1,500 pi r cubed. Then I divide by pi. So divided by 3.14 gives me 477.71 when I round it. Now here's where we get a little tricksy. This is cubed, it's not squared. So I can't undo it with the square root. I have to undo it with a cube root. So on your calculators, you need to locate the multi-root button. Usually it's some kind of button that has like a square or an X in front of the square root. And the way you use it is you put in the number you want to do a root of, so 3, and then you push the multi-root button, and then you put in your number, so 477.71.
Kaylin Johnson, meet me out at the card.
And that will give you your cube root, which is also my radius here. So cube root is 7.82 meters is your radius. And that is how you find the volume and work backwards from the volume of a sphere.